Hey guys, welcome to Double Creations. And today, we're going to make a cribbage board for my golf outing. Alright guys. Ooh, that was a bad shadow, wasn't it? Whoa. Anyway. This is a horribly lighted shop. So this is a piece of oak that I salvaged from when I was temping when they were making the dome or the retractable roof for the new Atlanta Falcons stadium. So this is a really nice heavy duty piece of oak. It's actually flat, squared. I just resawed it down, kind of cleaned it all up. Still a little bit rough. Like I said, this is for my golf outing. Every year we go on a big golf trip for 4 days. Go golfing every day, you know, the normal thing that guys like to do. So we play cribbage at night when we're not golfing, because you can't golf at night. Well, at least in Minnesota, we can't golf at night. So what I'm doing is I'm making a 3-track board so that we can play when we are sitting around at the cabin drinking and smoking cigars and having a good time. So let's get this going. So guys, hopefully everybody is having a great weekend. I know I probably am not, because I will be golfing, and you know how it goes when you're golfing. You normally don't play your best when you're with the boys. So we are just going to make a simple board for this weekend. Oh, I forgot the indexing holes. See? Need these. So you drill your little hole, you put these in, it holds it in place, and it makes it nice and square. And supposedly, by the time we get all the way to the end of the board, it'll still be straight. We'll see. Anyway. Alright guys, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're doing our 6th one. Don't do your indexing holes. I mean, I guess you could, it'd just make your board look a little weird. But, yeah, we're almost done. Look at that. Then we're gonna clean the board up a little bit, do some cool stuff with it, and then it's gonna be ready to rock and roll. Alright, let's do it. Alright guys, look at that. Very, very nice. We're going to get a good sanding now with a pump sander. Hey guys. So, you're in my office. And you're not seeing me sand the cribbage board. And it's finished. And we used it. All my footage, all my videos were corrupt from that point on. So my router work I did See if you can get that. There we go. Look at that. Nice little router work. Gone. That really fun sanding montage that I was going to do. Gone. But that's okay. So it turned out really good. The guys loved it. Sorry to Joe and Bill, but you are not getting your names on the back of the cribbage board for 2020 golf outing. It will be Mike and Emmett. So there it is. I'm sorry, guys. It did. Sitting here just editing it, and I'm like, these videos aren't any good. Awesome. So, but it happens. Sorry. But you could make me feel better by subscribing and liking the channel. That will cheer me up. And this lovely Coke that I opened with the bottle opener that does stay in my office all the time. So, I'm going to go ahead, upload this onto the computer, drink my Coke, and you guys will be seeing this tomorrow. So, thanks guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys in the next one.